Hello. Okay, today I will teach you about how to use Canva, canva.com. You can enter into this and make sure you sign up and then sign in for this browser, and then you can create the design. So basically, if you can see here, they have a lot of it is a platform that we can basically design everything instant by drag and so on. So example, I want to create a flyer. I just type in flyer. So let's see what let's say we use this blue. Okay, so basically everything can be edit or put or remove lah. For example, you don't want this picture, so you can just remove, and then maybe this is the example only. I put smarter. So basically just drag, and if you want to change font, can go here, and then font size, this is font color, you can choose. So we don't want this font number, we just remove. Smaller, and then for example, if you want to put text, just click T and then choose subheading. So for example, we put anything lah, just type in. Okay, for example, we regarding any smarter solution lah, so you do like this. And then if you want to put some images, you can go to elements. Let's say I want some tag. Make sure you want to find element, you find related to the flyer that you want to do. So this is basically I think the A4 size flyer. So let's say I put this. So if you want to overshadow this, you can click this element and you position it backward. Okay, so it will appear behind instead of top the front font lah, so it doesn't disturb. So let's say if you want to make it not that bold, so we go to transparency and then we reduce like background, something like that lah, not that revealing. So let's say we find Internet of Things. This is an example only. Okay, see, you can resize, then you can put it anywhere you want. Okay, and then for the logo, I will later give you lah, but if you want to upload the Sophie logo, you need to go to upload and then you find lah the logo that I give you, for example. Okay, so you can make sure you upload, you click here first. Since I already upload this logo before this, I just click and drag here. Okay, this is an example only, so I just do neatly lah. Okay, so find another element. Let's say smart manufacturing. this is an example only. Okay, so you can play around, put it anywhere you want. So maybe you can put here, so text you put here. Make sure you standardize the font lah. Okay, this is example only. If you want to check the alignment, let's say this is not the same alignment on this left side, you just go here. Okay, so it help adjust for you. So make sure it's same alignment, something like that lah. Okay. Our Sophie color theme is blue and light green, so make sure you know how to play around with the theme lah, not too big and not too bold or what. So once you know how to do this, you need to start to design for everyday for social media marketing. Okay, so if you want to change the background, click the background and then click here. Okay, you can choose this, you can also choose this. It depends, but we don't want, we actually want to follow our standard color lah, blue and light green. So maybe we can put this light green. Or we don't want to use this frame, we can put this. This is example only, okay? But make sure your font like this maybe too big, because if you print this out, the font for people will become big. So make sure you adjust accordingly. If it's for digital brochure, maybe you want to keep the font big, but if you want to print, make sure we adjust. We assume when we print, we're able to read it. Okay. For the moving element, is not encouraged to put in the flyer because we want to save it as PDF or PNG. So let's say I want to show you how to, let's say this is button shape. If you notice, the crown shape is for pro, so we need to purchase anything. So let's say lah, make sure you find the logo or element icon without the pro icon. Okay, so we don't need to pay anything. So we just click share, download. We don't want PDF. We can use PDF sometimes if you want to send to shop to print. Also we can save this, but usually I go for PDF print. So click this, download. So it will, while waiting, it will download the PDF file. Okay, so I try open it. So this basically, okay, this is the example only. Usually logo we put it at the corner or bottom or at the corner on top. So make sure you know how to play around with that. Let's say for social media, we want to a flyer to promote about our solution. Let's say on Monday, we want to promote smarter asset, and then on Tuesday we want to promote smarter engineering, for example. So we need to put the information that says smarter asset, and then here is the image of the solution or machines, etc. And then this is the brief of what, and then below maybe you can put, if you want to know more, just visit our website, something like that. Okay, we want to make sure our social media is active. So that's all.